business, how do I pivot? Like, I got great contractors. I know that you got great contractors as well. Like,
Yep.
what are you gonna do? Like, they're my family. Like, that's how I treat my guys, and they, I mean, they crush houses.
Okay, great. So this is really great advice. Okay, the biggest challenge in real estate. What is the biggest challenge in real estate? I already know your biggest challenge in real estate. It's actually everybody's challenge in real estate for the rest of your life. There's too many ways to succeed. And you're getting all sorts of advice from all sorts of directions. So when I'm standing up here talking about don't get into fixing and flipping, 99% of that is for you. Okay? Very little of it is for somebody who is already operating a fix and flip business that's crushing and understands your numbers. If you understand your numbers, you can continue to fix and flip. People will continue to fix and flip, but do not come to me and say, man, you didn't warn me. Just so you know, you're buying properties. If you're buying a property, you think the ARV is 500, your ARV is 400. And then base your numbers on that. Okay, but if I tell that to a new person, like, hey, go out and try and fix and flip, you think that's not good advice for her, right?
So you think flipping still through the downturn, you're still gonna,
Yeah, well, I'll continue to fix and flip. Next year, our target is 10 fix and flips next year. This year was 20. So I'll still do them, but I'm not. If somebody sends me a deal, guess what I'm doing? Immediately taking that number, and I'm taking 20% right off the number. Even if there's a comp right now at 500, I'm like, great, thanks wholesaler, but the ARV is actually 400. Like, no, there's a comp right here, and I go, your stupid comps don't take into consideration what Jerome Powell's about to do.